Kingsford Aibo. Good morning, sir. You are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir.
On April 15, 2024, in Harris County, officer dispatched to a disturbance call. Officer met with the complainant, who is married to the now defendant. The defendant had been drinking in the evening and started an argument with the complainant, and while complainant was sitting in a chair, he pushed the complainant and scratched her arm, causing pain. Officer noted the complainant had a small cut on her arm.
This right here is the moment that matters most legally. The judge isn't deciding guilt. This is probable cause. All the court needs is a reasonable belief that the assault happened, and even a minor visible injury, like that cut on her arm, clears that bar fast. Let me ask you, do you think alcohol should ever be a mitigating factor, or does it actually make this worse?
Can you run an NCIC to see what other priors, if anybody, Mr. Kim? Mr. Aibo, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm now ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or dope, you will go to jail. You will not get more PR bonds. Do you understand?
No, right, Judge.
Okay. Do we know if she wants to have contact with him?
No, we haven't had successful contact yet. There was one attempt about a week ago.
Okay. I don't know if she wants to have contact with you, so until I know that she wants to talk to you, I'm ordering you not to have any contact with her. I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons. It looks like they didn't do a MOAB. So I'm entering in what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Victoria Aibo as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person, commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. You understand? If you violate this court order, the state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. And that's one of the worst cases that you can pick up. Tell me, what do you do for a living, sir?
Warehouse leader, civil logistic.
How much money do you make a month?
Well, it depends, because right now our hours is so now, so we're making 35 hours. So I'm going home with $560 a week.
So you make around, give or take, $2,000 a month.
Yes.
Do you have any children?
No.
Can you afford a lawyer, sir?
At this time, because
let's do this.
This is actually rare and important advice. The judge is being blunt, but practical. He's telling the defendant that most private attorneys will work with you if you ask. Payment plans, negotiations, shopping around. This is real-world courtroom strategy most people don't hear. Drop comment. Should judges give this kind of guidance, or does it cross a line?
Let's do this. I want you to go out there. I want you to start looking. There's a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. It's a matter of you getting one, like buying a car. You don't go to a Ferrari dealership when you first start buying a car. Same thing with a lawyer. You go to one, you find one within your price range, negotiate with them. 99% of them will put you on a payment plan if you ask. Negotiate with them. Don't take them at first blush. If they say no, go to the next one. If you have any issues, just come back and talk to me, and then we can go further. All right?
one question, my wife, I'm the one who take care of it. She don't want to work, so the bills, I'm the one paying everything. So
for now, until I know that she wants to have contact with you, I just don't want it. I don't want it to happen. I will have them later on reach out to her to see if there's contact. Also, when you have a lawyer, the lawyer can come and approach, and then we can talk about modifying the conditions. But I want to know, I want to honor her wishes. That's my first concern. And I don't know what she wants to do with you. Okay. So for now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. After that, I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box while I get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and then you'll be free to go. All right.
Right this way. Counsel, do you have an argument? Okay. Miller?
No. Dave, we have one more, please. Ma'am, come up. What is your name?
Karen Williams. Williams on page 24.
And do you have a lawyer?
Paper, I do, yeah. The last
Your
time,
case is nearly 400 days old. You've taken off multiple times. I am not happy with you, man. The next time you skip out on me, I'm going to make your bond so high you're going to flip. Do you understand? Who is your lawyer, man?
Garcia.
Okay. No resets. We figure out today what happens. Take a seat for me in the jury box, man. Greg.
Are you applying again?
Hey, Judge, how are you?
Hey, bud. What's up?
Hey, I just have this case today, so I'm jumping on, but we already took care of my Alexis Kidder, right? Okay. So, my other case is Brittany Gillardoni. She is in custody. I don't see that a rip call has been done, but I believe she's on probation. So I
What was the last, Greg, what was the last name again?
Gillardoni.
I have a Gill at dawn.
She's got an alias,
It's Gillardoni.
but yeah, she has an alias of Gilladon as well. It's
Oh yeah, that's the AK. We have the AK.
So she's on probation for felon in possession, possession less than a gram, and now she's picked up an assault.
yes.
The bond, our bond is set at 2,500. I don't know if she's made bond on the felony cases.
Wait.
Oh, she's got quite the history, man. Tell me, what do you want?
I was just waiting to see what felony's doing. I mean, the rip call hadn't been done, so they haven't made a rec, which I understand, but
The next setting date for the felony is 2/27 of 24, so that tells me they haven't done anything. She probably hasn't even made it up. Let's see if they've even filed a motion to revoke. It may be just
She attempted once, but she hasn't called back.
Hey, look, they filed a motion to adjudicate in February of this year already once. They had another one in December.
So they haven't filed it yet. The last one was in 2/27 for the last revocation, but her bond is still technically set at 10,000 for the one back in February. So I imagine they're going to do it sometime soon.
Yeah, it's her third time, Greg. So,
do I do like a 2-week reset, Judge?
yeah, I guess we'll do that.
Okay.
We need to probably do conditions though, because I don't know if she's going to get out.
This one,
Because that's a low bond, and if she makes our bond, you know, I might.
then she's had 2 fugitive cases in in this court.
Yeah, do you mind bringing her up, please? So, Dave, let's do PC real quick, huh? When she gets out here.
Yeah, Judge, sorry, I jumped on Zoom because it's my only case today. That and the fugitive.
Get you out of here quick, man.
Yeah, no worries. I'm not, that's why I didn't come down there, so.
Thanks. Okay. Good morning, Ms. Gillardoni.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
How's jail? I guess we're not getting your attention. Come on up to the bar. I guess we're still not getting your attention.
Yes, sir.
So you now stand charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Counselors, keep it down, please.
We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to...
This is where the tone of the entire case changes. Dragging someone, stomping their head, that's extreme violence. And it explains why the judge immediately moves to GPS monitoring and home confinement. This isn't just punishment. It's risk control. Be honest. If you were the judge here, would you have set an even higher bond?
Attorney present during questions and interviews. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you. Just so you know, you're not here alone. Look on the screen up there. That's Greg. He's been appointed to represent you. So you do have a lawyer with you today.
On April 6th, officer replied by the complainant who stated that the now defendant was walking on the north side of the street. The complainant stated that she was walking with a male friend when the now defendant came from behind and began a conversation with the male. Complainant stated she didn't know the defendant, and complainant stated that her male friend left, and the defendant turned to complainant and stated, quote, "I'm going to drag you down the street," end quote. They got into a verbal altercation where the defendant grabbed the complainant by the hair, threw her to the ground, and drug her on the concrete floor, then stomped on her head once. Complainant stated she felt pain, had a knot and early bruise forming on the left side of her head that the officer was able to observe, and an abrasion to her left knee that was bleeding.
Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I don't know if you're going to get out, but if you do, I'm ordering you under home confinement. You are not allowed out for any reason. Do you understand? I'm also going to put a GPS monitor so I know where you are at all times. I'm ordering you not to be in possession of weapons and not to have contact with any of the complaining witnesses.
That's all I do for this country. Yes, sir. Thank you. The nation, matter of fact.
You're done.
I
You're
appreciate
done.
that,
You're
sir.
done.
Thank you.
You're done.
No, it's something.
I'm good, Your Honor.
Hey, Judge, what was that?
Gilardoni.
You might be on your
Gilardoni with the G. So you want to go ahead and have her evaluated, Greg?
Yeah, I can do that.
Can't hurt.
Let me make a note. I'll do the paperwork tomorrow when I'm down there. Do you want to do a longer reset then, Judge, if I file the...
You have to do 30 days. Yeah,
So let's do like 31 since I'm going to file it tomorrow, 31 or 32?
correct.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll be honest, I don't know if a $2,500 bond is sufficient, man.
I don't know that she'll
A
make
little
it.
bit higher.
She was on docket last time, so I don't know that she'll make it, Your Honor.
Okay.
Because she's been there, I think, a week. So,
Yeah, you ready? We have another rain.
okay.
Ready?
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Greg. You're the best. Hey, Luis. Selena Silva, come up. You speak English. Transferieron tu caso a el ERD, se llama, un diferente corte, okay? Hey, Victoria, what's the address for ERD? I know, but I need to give him I want to give him the address so he doesn't go to the wrong place.
I think it's 1115 Congress.
That's it?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Is it 5th floor, 4th? Do you know? Ramona, what floor? Do you know?
I believe 4th floor. But there's a sign right out in front. 4th floor, Judge.
Oh, yeah, they started putting in the elevators because people kept getting lost.
Okay. Hey, does he have court today?
423.
Ok. Te voy a dar este papel. Dice que tú tienes corte el 23 de abril. Oh, no. What is it? We're in April, right?
Yes.
Ok. Abril 23 a las 11 de la mañana. Este es el dirección a donde tienes que ir. No tienes corte aquí más. Y si tienes preguntas, llámate a tu abogado y él te puede decir más. Oh, tienes que ir ahora a las 11, pero anda ahora a esa dirección. Piso 4, en el Congreso. Come up, Miss Williams. Okay. Right. Ma'am, you are charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You're pleading guilty to this case. It will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. You can never take it off. You understand? You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Like I said, this is done deal forever today. You can never change this. You still want to do this, man? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I will send you to the agreement. Understand, Ms. Williams, that from now on, you will be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail if you ever pick up another theft case. What's more is that a third theft case, you're facing a felony charge. Instead of days, it's years. Do you understand? Okay, good luck to you, man. Please see the clerk. I'll roll it. I'll roll it.
I mean, statistically, it's not.
Okay. Tell me. Hi.
Ashton Alvarez or Alvarado.
Custody or on bond?
Sorry. He's on bond, Judge.
That's right.
They came back positive.
Correct. Where is he now? Yeah, we need to talk because I was going to revoke his bond because he tested positive. So I think that, guys, do you mind? Hey, Pavel, you mind, guys, stepping so I can come up, Mr. Espinoza?
I talked to him briefly about drug test. He said he should be good in the next couple of weeks.
No, he told me the last time, yesterday, in fact, that he had smoked like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Isn't that right? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When was the last time you smoked dope? No, I want a date because I'm going to test you. And I want to know if you, because I asked you yesterday to be honest with me. And if you test positive, I'm going to put you in jail. You told me that you had done it a couple weeks ago. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because of your arrest was a couple weeks ago. But I want to know because I ordered you to stop smoking dope. And if you did while you're on bond, you're going to stay with me. So I want a date. You get with Kavita. I want to know because within the next week and a half to 2 weeks, I'm going to test you. If you test positive, you'll end up staying with me. So talk to Kavita and let me know.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks.
My case was actually over a month ago, and
We'll talk about your case. Okay, we'll talk about it.
And that's a bad thing for you. Mr. Espinoza, I would get back into school so you could learn something. Because right now, you ain't got no knowledge.
It's
Tell me.
249-9562.
Talking about homeboy?
Yes, we're still waiting on a rip, it looks like, from the state. And he's gonna need probably at least 30 days to pass the drug test, considering it's been a week or so.
When was the last time you smoked weed?
Last week.
Come up. Come up. Did you get a day?
Exact date, but about a week ago, Judge.
I'm going to end up picking a date if you can't give me one. If you can't give her a good date, I'm going to pick one for you. The last time you smoked weed. And let me make something abundantly clear to you. If you ever smoke again, you're going to jail for a long time. You understand? I am also making it a condition that you get a job. Go to Amazon. All you need is one leg and a partial heartbeat to get a job at Amazon. Get a job, or you will stay with me. Do you understand? Start paying child support, or you will stay with me.
Say what I can.
That's not good enough. What you can means nothing. That baby still needs to eat, not when it can eat. It eats 3 times a day, Mr. Espinoza. get a job. So what date are we coming back for him to take a drug test? A week ago, I guess he said, right? So today's the 23rd, so let's just assume, I guess that's the 16th.
Probably May 16th would be fine, Judge. That's a Thursday.
Kavita, what day did you say?
May 16th? Unless you want to do like a two.
1, 2.
And I'm hoping that we can get this case resolved.
I will give you that day. Any day that you ask. You're going to come here on May 16th to take a drug test. Your butt better be clear, because if it's not, it ain't gonna go well for you, just me know. I'm also gonna have you come back in 2 weeks to prove to me what you've done to get a job. If you've done nothing from now to the next 2 weeks, say bye-bye. Take a seat.
Can I ask you a question?
You'll talk to me out there.
To prove that I'm actively looking for a job, can I like show me applying and?
You can give that to me.
Okay.
got pizza hut
Lita, she can help you, but I'm telling you, go to Amazon. They hire just about anyone. If you put your heart into it, you can do damn near anything, Mr. Espinoza. That's all it takes is a little willpower and a little go-getter attitude. That's all it takes. I'm not asking you to split the atom.